we are so excited to show brand new, the brave Hero Splendor Plus. With its stunning design and incredible fuel efficiency.
Intro. Welcome to Bike Empire. Today we're taking a quick look at the Hero Splendor Plus, India's most trusted commuter bike that has ruled the roads for decades with its simplicity, reliability, and unbeatable mileage. Timeless design. The Hero Splendor Plus sticks to a clean and familiar design that appeals to riders of all ages. With classic body graphics, a comfortable upright stance, and a lightweight frame, it's built purely for daily practicality. Engine and performance. Powered by a 97.2 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine, the Splendor Plus delivers smooth and stress-free performance. It's tuned for city commuting, offering refined power delivery and excellent low-end torque for traffic-friendly rides. Mileage and efficiency. Mileage is where the Splendor Plus truly shines. Known for its fuel efficiency, this bike is a favorite among budget-conscious riders who want maximum distance with minimal fuel costs. Comfort and ride quality. With a soft seat, telescopic front suspension, and hydraulic rear shocks, the Splendor Plus ensures a comfortable ride even on rough city roads. Its lightweight handling makes it easy to control for new and experienced riders alike. Features and safety. The bike comes with essential features like i3S start-stop technology, drum brakes with integrated braking, and a simple analog instrument cluster focused on functionality. Verdict. The Hero Splendor Plus remains the ultimate commuter motorcycle, reliable, economical, and easy to maintain. If your priority is daily usability and peace of mind, this bike continues to be a smart and sensible choice.